Hi, welcome to Excel Academy. So here is how you would locate the dashboard and most especially the videos. So you would log in via the login details shared with you or via the login details of the account you created. So you put your username and your password. Yeah, this is mine, Ahmed Suluka, and I'm logging in. So here is my account. So I'll go to the dashboard. After that, look at the series of courses I have on my dashboard. So let me click on CSME. Yeah, so this is CSME. Then I will now start learning. So with this, I'll see the videos. Yeah, this is the list of topics and their videos. So let me play this. So that's the dashboard. Yeah, so with that, I'm able to learn the course I want to learn. So, and if you know that, I can go to another course on the dashboard to learn.